Guys, the fuel filter on a Seat Ibiza is a 1.4 petrol engine. It's located on the driver's side rear quarter. I'm gonna show you. It's just literally over here. You got the 3 connection. It's a 1, 2 and 3. So to release that clip, just simply push. You see the blue clips, you just pushed in clips, and that's, once you press, it's gonna release, and you can remove that pipe. Same is gonna be on all of those 3 connection. So guys, when you remove those 3 pipes, you got 1 screw which is holding that fuel filter. That screw is holding the bracket. Once you remove, simply just replace the fuel filter and put back everything on the reverse order. So I'm hoping that video will help you with the fuel filter replacement. If that is useful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.